Good morrow, everybody. Thanks for coming to my channel, Art is So Fun. My name's David. Let's draw Bugs Bunny. Go like that for his one ear. And go like that, another big oval for his other ear. And draw the inside of his ears. Fix that shape a little bit. These are rough outlines again with pencil, and then we'll ink in the proper line that we want to keep with a Sharpie later. Alright, draw the tops of his head there, his hair, his big smiley face kind of thing. He's going to be doing this lazy kind of carrot eating, laying down pose. With his hand in his head like this. Kind of propped up in his hand. Of course, I should have drawn him a little higher up on the page. I'm already out of room. We live and we learn, we hope. Drawing his glove, wrist. Work on his face a little bit. One eye, another big oval for his other eye. His eyebrow. Make that ear a little better. Like this. There we go. Do the same thing. That ear eventually. Work on this eye, that eyebrow. Okay. His lazy eyelids. He's sleepy. He's chilling. Looking unstressed. It's the way we want to be. Hair sticking out here. Little tufts of hair on the top of his head. Bunny rabbit hair. Fur. The inside of that ear. I'm making these outlines very dark for YouTube. In general, you want to use a blunt pencil and make it way lighter so as to not cut grooves in your print area / canvas you're working with. For my purposes, it's okay. This little bunny rabbit nose. Work on this mouth a little bit here. Make these less angled. More hanging down chunks of hair. Fur. Like that. He's getting that Bugs Bunny look to him. His little narrow neck. His shoulders. He's lying down, eating a carrot. It's his belly. And here's his other arm holding a carrot that he took a bite out of. It's his wrist to the glove. It's his thumb. He's going to be holding this carrot. come back to it. Let's see. So, make this nose just like that. Basically a little triangle. Work on the other side of his mouth. Got these tiny little top of his mouth here. These tiny little whiskers. Down to his mouth. Kind of like a Joker smile. He's got a big set of buck teeth. Buck rabbit teeth. That's his bottom lip and tongue. Let's see. Make that lip a little thicker. Other side of his mouth here. Something like that. He's happy, he's eating, he's hanging out, saying, "What's up, Doc?" And here's the carrot that he's holding. And other fingers will be gripping it. Like this. And his pinky fingers kind of holding it like a wine glass. And bon appetit. And you gotta show that he took a bite out of it here, so make some little divots and angles and chunks at the top there. And then give the carrot some tuber type root looking details like that. Just gonna draw the little green root coming off of the carrot, but not today. Wrist. And make one leg kinda, he'd be kinda sitting cross-legged. You're not gonna see any of that really, but you'll see just the beginning of his thighs. Like that. And he is just enjoying life. There's those whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That one's coming more towards you, so it looks shorter.